So we're going to see what is the generative AI is. So we will see in this lecture some basics of Gen AI, how does Gen AI work, and some we will explore some real world applications and what is the some the trends or future of Gen AI and what is your role of prompt engineer in Gen AI, and we'll see some final thoughts. Okay. So this is our last lecturer of this course and it is very important after learning the prompt engineering skill. So let's see the first one, that is basics of Gen AI. So Gen AI means simple, that is a multi-models like ChatGPT, right? Uh, Gemini or comes under the Gen AI. So you can see here the basic definition. Generative AI refers to models that create new content, text, images, code, music based on inputs or prompts. If you take any image generation tool like Leonardo, Midjourney, or you can take video generation tools like Sora or other uh, InVideo.io, that they have some tools online, right? They will generate an image based upon our input prompts, right? So that all tools are called Gen AI. Even ChatGPT also called it Gen AI. How it will generating the output, text output, content, ideas, all based upon the prompt. So it is all called as generative AI models. Every model like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, they are called comes under the Gen AI. Okay, you can see here. So unlike traditional AI, which focuses on recognition or prediction, Gen AI focuses on creation. This is the most important point here. So some you can see, for examples, there are some AI systems in the US or something in which we are building some AI cars, okay, and AI bikes or like that, in which they will recognize the information, recognize some scanning or eyes, roads, uh, all the data, right? If you see AI cars, right, Tesla cars, they don't have the driver, okay. The AI is automatic will run that car. How the AI will recognize all the road and all the parameters they have, like how to in which how to uh, right turn the car, okay, when to stop, where to stop, in which speed I have to the car should be go, all it will recognize, right? So this will call it traditional AI, okay. But what is a Gen AI? You can see generative in the name itself. There is a generate AI means focuses on creation, the creation, anything that can be content creation, image creation, video creation, that all the AI which creates something based upon our prompts called Gen AI. But there's a traditional AI which predicts or focuses on recognition or prediction. Like as I said, any Gen AI cars, AI cars, which will recognize the all the real world scenarios in which time the car should be take right turn, like that. Some examples that will comes under the traditional AI. But Gen AI focuses on creation only, like creation content, image, video, like that, based on our requirement. For the best example is take any language model like ChatGPT, uh, Gemini, or image generation tools like Leonardo AI, video generation Sora, like that. They will comes under the Gen AI applications focuses on creation. Okay, I hope you understand the basic definition of Gen AI. So what are the examples? You can see ChatGPT generating essays, answers, Midjourney creating art, Copilot helping developers with write code. So some of video creation tools that are come right now, that is Sora, like that, by OpenAI. So this is all about some basics of Gen AI. So let's see the second one, that is how does Gen AI work? So it is simple, right? You can see it uses large scale machine learning models trained on vast data sets to predict and generate content. So it is example. If you learn, if you know how the ChatGPT works, how the ChatGPT is developed, trained with a lot of data, it is all GenAI, right? So it is all about taking some model, basic model. Okay, they don't have any knowledge about anything. Then you will train that model with your data, with a large data sets, a large amount of data sets. Okay, to predict and generate a content, image, videos. Okay, everything about our based upon our requirements, right? Though that's all the models will comes under the Gen AI. It is simple like ChatGPT, okay, Gemini. How they are works? They are the same the Gen AI work. Okay, they are all comes under the Gen AI only. ChatGPT, Gemini, and all other models that we are using right now. Okay, simple. That is the Gen AI work. So you can see the key models in Gen AI is text-based GPT-4 Cloud, image-based DALL, Stable Diffusion. That is all OpenAI, multimodal Gemini or GPT Vision. Like this, we have seen already in our previous lecturers. Gen AI means that models are working right now or trained by large amount of data to generate a content or to solve a user query, to generate a ideas, images, videos like that. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, that is all about Gen AI. So some we will see some real world applications. As I said, uh, AI is used everywhere. The prompt engine also needed everywhere. Why? Where AI is, the AI is only Gen AI. Okay, I hope you understand. We are using AI. For example, if you take LLM, any LLM like ChatGPT, okay, Gemini, okay, the companies, if you, for example, will take some education companies are using OpenAI, ChatGPT, okay, the ChatGPT also comes under the Gen AI, okay, where there is a Gen AI, there need to be prompt engineer, okay, I hope you understand. For see, if the prompt engineer is required to get the best output from the AI, at the same time, the prompt engineer also required to build a generative AI applications like ChatGPT. I hope you understand, right? Okay, who is a real prompt engineer means if the prompt engineer know how to write the prompts to get the best output from AI, then he also know how to train AI model, how to train AI model with the prompt patterns. Okay, I hope you understand. So where the AI gen applications are used in each every industry they will use. If you are using ChatGPT, Gemini like LLMs, then you are using the Gen AI only, not the other thing. Okay, I hope you understand. This is some real world applications, education, business, creative fields, healthcare, all it comes under this Gen AI applications. That is a very most important thing, ethical reminder. So while Gen AI is powerful, but it must be used responsibly to avoid generating misinformation or biases. So, as I said, the AI is not 100% accurate. So, it can do mistakes, it will provide inaccuracies in the output, right? So, with mistakes and lot of uh, wrong data, misinformation, all those things. So, we cannot uh, blindly trust on this AI output. For that, we have to know the specific knowledge about that we are looking to get the output from AI. You have to know about that. Okay, for that so to make this easy for the companies or anything, they will hire only that person who have the prompt writing skill as well as who have the specific knowledge. Okay, if AI will generate the output, the prompt engineer should able to correct the output, then only will the company will hire them. Okay, for that I am recommending you again, please learn the prompt engineering but in specific use cases, in specific area. You can take an education or you can choose marketing only, in which you can easily analyze the output. Okay, as we said in earlier classes, prompt engineering is nothing, is not only writing the prompts, but they have some several steps. Okay, analyzing the output, okay, refining the optimization. So all this comes under when you know the information when you have the knowledge about that particular task to solve by AI. When the output comes from AI, you need to analyze the output, whether it is right or wrong. Then only you can go to the next step for optimization, for refining, all those things. If you don't know about that, so there is no worth to become a prompt engineer. That's why I'm recommending you to uh, build expertise in specific area like business only, like education only, writing prompts for specific in that in which you can analyze the output easily. You can make, you can optimize it and refine it in all the prompt engineering steps. Okay, we will see in later in few minutes what is the role responsibilities as a prompt engineer in Gen AI or other specific area. So for this ethical reminder, as I said, the AI will do mistakes. For that, the prompt engineer responsibility is to analyze the output, okay, to refine the, to optimize the output to get the accurate answer from AI. Okay, for that you need you need to have the specific knowledge about your using AI to solve it. Okay, I hope you understand. So, what is the future of Gen AI? As I said, now in upcoming world, every industry and every aspect, the AIs will take over. Okay, so more Gen AI applications already come in the market right now. So even there are more Gen AI applications will be rise in upcoming decades and years. Okay, so what are the some Gen AI specific applications? You can see some more personalized AI, tailored responses and outputs based on user profiles, increase in multimodal capabilities, seamlessly combining text, image, audio. You can see the best example is ChatGPT right now, Gemini, Cloud. They have, we can import the image, document, text, voice, right, in the chat itself. This all comes under the multimodal capabilities. They have other also. So this is popular on Gemini, ChatGPT. So democratization. What is a democratization? So tools becoming more accessible to individuals and small businesses. So as AI will become the part of our daily life, so everyone will use the AI. Okay. So there are many people, right? There are many individuals, they have some specific knowledge. For them, we can develop a Gen AI applications for the specific use cases. For nurses, okay, for doctors, separate Gen AI, like that. So there are more opportunities to build uh, Gen AI applications. That is a future, right? This is all about some points regarding future Gen AI. So let's talk about the what is the role of prompt engineer in Gen AI.